Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Embracing aesthetics or aesthetic colorful wall paint ideas can breathe new life into your living spaces. Pastel shades like soft pinks, minty greens, and gentle blues cast a shooting and dreamy aura, making them ideal for bedrooms and nurseries for those seeking a tropical escape. Bold and vibrant hues reminiscent of coral, turquoise, and sunshine. Yellow infuse a room with energy and warmth, perfect for lively rooms or home offices. To achieve a boho chic vibe, earthy tones such as terracotta, deep teal, and mustard yellow can be used to create a athletic atmosphere in bedrooms or living areas. Oceanic blues and inspired colors like fiery orange, red, and golden yellow add a vibrancy to dining areas or kitchen. Consider monochromatic scenes, colorful accents, walls, gradient effects, or artistic murals to infuse personality and creativity into your home, allowing your space to reflect your unique style and aesthetic preferences. Incorporating these aesthetic and colorful wall paint ideas can truly transform your living spaces into vibrant and visually captivating environments. Whether you opt for soothing pastels, energetic tropical hues, or boho chic adorns, your walls become a canvas for personal expression and creativity. By choosing the right color palette and design approach, you can breathe new life into your home and create a unique atmosphere that resonates with your style and personality. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.